everyone. So today I want to connect my WooCommerce powered store to Tohju's AI store assistant. To get that done, I have this existing store here with a lot of products. So you'll have to log in to your WooCommerce store, and we need to create some API keys, which we will use to connect our store to our chat assistant. And so I went to WooCommerce and then settings, and this is the settings page. I think we go to advanced, and under advanced, the advanced tab here, we go to REST API. Okay, we don't have any keys created for this store. So we're just going to go ahead, hit create an API key. Now to create an API key, I advise you create a different user than your administrative user. So let's go ahead and do that. This user should have a shop manager user role. Okay, I'm just going to call that shop manager. You can call it whatever you want. Sorry, that's shop manager. Shop manager at cyberculture.com. Shop manager. No need for the website. Whatever password, and then you give it a role of shop manager. I'll probably be deleting this account. Definitely delete this account once I'm done with this video. So we create a new user that's in, and we come back to our settings page, and we need to create two sets of API keys. A set of API keys is a consumer key and a consumer secret. So why do we need two sets of keys? So if you want to create an AI assistant for your customers, you don't want to give your customers rights access. You don't want them to change anything on your store. You just want to give them access to stuff like products. So you need API keys that have just the read access, right? So if you want to create like a assistant or a store manager, AI store manager that would help you edit your products, edit your orders, or manage your products and your store. You want to give that AI agents read and write access. So we're going to just get started with the read access. I'm just going to call this read Tohju bots, and then I'm going to just type shop here. I think it should. Yep, that's the account we just created, and I'm going to hit generate API keys. These are the API keys, and I'm just going to copy them and go back again and create new keys for the right access. For right access, you can see these have just read permissions. So I'm going to go back and create new keys for right access, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. We still haven't created our right keys for now, but we're just going to go ahead and use our read keys to create our first shopping assistant bot for our store, Cyberculture. All right, we should go to open a new browser tab and go to app.tohju.com, and you should land on the login page right here. I'm just going to do this again. App.tohju.com right there. Hit enter, and you're on the login page. All right, and then I have like a stored account. Create your accounts and login. hit the login button, and here we are. Typically, if you're a new user, this should be empty. Um, but I do have some open sessions here. So we're just going to go ahead, regardless of being a new user or not, and hit new agents. And we're going to type in something like a WooCommerce for our agent name or description to describe the agent. WooCommerce shop assistant. So creating an agent will, um, the agent we create here would be the agent that would answer our questions or answer our customers' questions. So we've gotten some the description suggested to us, but we can also edit that description and change or edit the suggestions, change the name. You could probably want to call it maybe like Silviculture. This is just a short name. Blah 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 blah. But the next important part is um, adding a tool. This is where we add our WooCommerce store connection tool to add keys, API keys that we created. So we select the WooCommerce store connection tool here, and then we have to now fill in this information. Culture.com, that's for the email. And since we just need the read keys, I have those already. That's the read key. And that is the read consumer secret. We don't need the store manager. This would be the right keys. Um, we don't need that. So we're just going to go ahead, hit the store, enter the value for the store URL. The store name is Silviculture, and the logo URL, which would help identify our store. And we'll hit connect. If the details are correct, um, it should be fine. Yep, no errors or anything. So we're done here. Everything looks clean. We're now going to go ahead and create our agents. Good. Silviculture successfully created. Now, when we go to new conversation, start a new conversation session, if we check and we try to add an agent, we can see Silviculture. The agent has been added. Remember, this agent is the agent we can ask questions to when if our customers want to ask questions or if we want to query our store. So we just go to add agents here and we can select the agents we've created. All right, I'll see you in the next video where we go ahead and ask our agents questions about our store. Yep. And we've been trying to connect our agents in the last video, our AI agents, to our shopping website powered by WooCommerce. And so in the previous video, we completed creating the agent, and now we want to ask questions, ask our AI agent questions about our WooCommerce site, our shopping website. So we'll click on, you go your agency, and then you click on new conversation. This is the conversation I just created right now, or you could create a new conversation. Just clicking on new conversation. And then make sure you have selected the AI agents that you want to question, you want to send questions to. We created Shop Assist. That's the AI agent that's connected to our WooCommerce website. And then we'll ask a simple question like, I will like to buy shoes Do you have any in stock? And then we send the question and we wait a few seconds for um, our AI agent to connect to our website and then collect the data that it needs to answer our question and then send us a response. Okay, got a response and let's check out. Here are available shoe options in stock. Okay, we got this. Nice. And then we have this. Price is 920 and the price is 764. Oh, this is that picture. All right, and for this one, 664 cowskin derby. All right, that sounds really good. Great, thank you. And we're done. So now you know how to build AI agents and connect them, or create AI agents with Tohju.com and connect them to your website, to your WooCommerce website. Right? All right. So we've been asking questions, or we've been able to ask our AI agent a question, but now we want to. I want to show you how you could share your AI agents or your conversation with your AI agents to anybody that you provide the link with, like a public URL. So you go back to your list of conversations by clicking on your agency, and then this would be the conversation you just created. Here are available shoe options in stock. Yep, this one. And we'll click on share, and then this dialog comes up. And sharing by email, that's like a private share. You share directly to another Tohju user. That's coming soon. So you'd ignore that and move over to share link to anyone. And then you select the agent that you want to attach to this public URL. And that's the Shop Assist agent. And then you just hit public. And then you have a link, very quick link you could share to um, your friends or your customers, and they can ask um, questions. Like we could try that out to the same AI agent, to your you know, shopping assistance AI agent, and they don't have to be users or sign up on Tohju. So this is pretty cool if you want to share it on your social media URLs, sorry, social media accounts. And okay, let's just try asking, I will like to buy some shirts. Do you have any shirts? Well, because there's just one agent shared, that's value I. So that's the agents connected here, the Shop Assist agents. So you just hit send, and then it'll take a moment, and then we'll get um, a response from our agents after checking our website for shirts. So it has linen shirts, about like, I don't know how many of these are, but good results on the linen shirts, cotton shirts. Yep, we do have some shirts. We do have some shirts. So now you can easily have an AI agent on your site that responds to your customers' questions. using Tohju.com. Great.